Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hopefully you will be good. You have enjoyed Independence Day and you have celebrated it. Today date is 15 August 2020. It's my 20th lecture and day is Saturday. I'm going to tell you about essay writing. We have done story writing and application writing. In story writing and application writing I have shown how to write it, but essay writing is easy. You can write the essay to your own. See, I have given you a topic, write an essay on the topic our country Pakistan. So you are going to write about the country Pakistan. I want you to write almost 200 words about this about in Pakistan or in this essay. So you have to write 4 to 5 paragraphs, and all the paragraphs you have written something special or some new information about Pakistan. How you would write it? First of all, you will write that Pakistan is our country, and then you will mention when Pakistan came into being. Pakistan came into being in 14 August 1947. All of you know that. Quaid Azam is the founder of Pakistan. And what is the meaning of the word Pakistan? Pakistan means the land of purity. You can also mention that what is the meaning of Pakistan. पर्शियन लैंग्वेज में और उर्दू लैंग्वेज में पाकिस्तान का मतलब है लैंड ऑफ प्योरिटी, यानी पाक सरजमीन. And then you will write the speciality of Pakistan, such as Pakistan is an agricultural land. ये एक ज़री मुल्क है, तो एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. पाकिस्तान इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल लैंड, इसके बारे में आप लिख सकते हैं. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट अबाउट एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, यू शुड नो दैट पाकिस्तान हैज़ द बिगेस्ट कॉटन प्रोड्यूसर, यानी सबसे ज़्यादा जो कॉटन है वो पाकिस्तान प्रोड्यूस करता है. एवरी फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स कैन बी ग्रो इन पाकिस्तान. एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री है, यानी ज़री मुल्क है, उसमें हर तरह का फ्रूट, हर तरह की वेजिटेबल जो है वो इजीली ग्रो कर सकती है. And if you are going to write about the beauty, you will write that it has many natural resources, it has 4 weathers, 4 मौसम है इसके, and it has snow-capped mountains, it has vast deserts and beautiful seashores and beautiful lands, plains. So all kind of land we have in Pakistan. Pakistan is full of natural resources. Natural resources means it has many minerals, and even we have the world biggest salt mine, यानी नमक की जो कान है खेड़ा माइन, वो सबसे ज़्यादा दुनिया की वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट सॉल्ट माइन है. So we have many natural resources in Balochistan and Sindh. So you can also write about it. If you even you can write about the military of Pakistan. Pakistan has the 7th biggest military power. पाकिस्तान की 7वीं बड़ी military power है. And even Pakistan is the first Muslim country who has nuclear power. कि हमारे पास वो पहली country है, पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम country है जिसके पास nuclear power है. You can also write about it. And you can also write about the national things, such as in Pakistan our national dress is shalwar kameez, and our national poet is Allama Iqbal. Our national flower is jasmine. Our national animal is markhor. So you can also write about it. What is the national even our national language is Urdu, and official language is English. So you can also write about the national things related to Pakistan. And at the end you will write why you love Pakistan. That we love Pakistan, that it is our homeland, it is our country which protect us and which give us the liberty to live our life according to our religion. So Pakistan came into being in the name of Allah. So it's a pure land, and we can do and we can live freely in our land. So that's why we love Pakistan, that it gives us an identity as a Pakistani. So we are very patriot and we love it because it gives us shelter and give us identification that who we are. So if you are going to point out all the things I have mentioned, you can write a good essay, and even you can write it more than 200 words. अगर आप पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट में आप लिखते हैं कि पाकिस्तान कब बना, सेकंड में about beauty of Pakistan कि Pakistan is a beautiful land. In third paragraph, Pakistan is an agricultural land. In fourth paragraph, you will write military power of Pakistan. In fifth paragraph, you will write about the national things such as national poet, national language, national food, is about the things related to Pakistan. And then at the last, why you love Pakistan, you will precise, or you have to just conclude the essay. You can write a good essay to your own. Don't do copy paste from your net. Just think about the points I have discussed in the essay and write it in your essay. कि जो पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको डिस्कस करके बताए हैं, बिल्कुल इसको अगर आप सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे तो आप बहुत अच्छा ऐसे खुद से भी लिख सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे या नेट से देखेंगे. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द कंट्री पाकिस्तान एंड राइट अबाउट द थिंग्स ऑन विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी कमांड. कि जो भी आपके माइंड में आता है पाकिस्तान से रिलेटेड, आप उसके बारे में खुद से लिखने की कोशिश करें, कॉपी पेस्ट मत करें. I hope you will try to write an essay to your own and give me a good essay. Allah Hafiz class.